Hey everybody, this is Willett from Shaggy's North in Lapine, Oregon. Today we have the Donner Triple Looper. Has 3 memory banks. The switch in the right selects each memory bank. The number 1 memory bank is now empty, as that little LCD screen shows. The other knob up in the left is the volume for your loops and your dubs. The big gold button is actually the foot switch. Now I put something on the foot switch to make it a little easier for me to handle, but that's really just an addition. It does not come like that. So I'm going to demonstrate this and show you that when you hit the button the first time, you're going to record a loop. When the memory bank is empty, you hit it the first time and you're going to record a loop. Then you hit it again and it immediately starts to play. Now when it's playing, if you hit it again, it goes into dub mode so that you can add things to what you currently have recorded. So I'm going to demonstrate that pretty quickly. What I want you to remember is counting is extremely important because the loops need to be in time if you're trying to play with someone or with a rhythm, consistent rhythm track or something like that. Now there's other ways to use it where you wouldn't necessarily need to do that, but I recommend trying to stay in time. So I'm going to have to put this thing on the floor because I can't hit it with my foot. My hands is up here. So let's move on to the next phase, which is right here. So watch what happens here. Here's my chord, my C chord. Well, I'm going to play a little sequence C, G, A minor, F quickly and hopefully in time. So let's listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll hit it once, and it plays. And this loops again. But if I hit it twice, it stops. Now, I do have that loop on there now. So I can play along with it by hitting it one time first to say that says it's playing. The second time I hit it, it will say dub, and then I can add notes to it. So let's try that. So we're in a stop mode. I hit the button, it goes to play. I hit the button again, it says dub. So let's try it. Hit it twice, it stops. Sometimes I don't do it fast enough. Now, when I hit it one time, it should play back both things. The original loop and the dub that I put over the top. Okay, and again, I hit it twice. If I'd have hit it once again, it would have allowed me to dub again. Now, you can do that repeatedly and with no signal loss or signal degradation. It just hangs in there because it's not mechanical, it's not tape. Now, if I wanted to erase the noodling part that I did, I would put it on play and then hold. Now all we have is the dub, or the original. That's all. And then there, all you have is the original. So that works good. Now, so I could conceivably put several layers of dubs on there, but I'm not going to. So I just wanted to demonstrate that that's how it functions. Now, if I wanted to clear it all together, once I hit play, I'll hit it twice and hold. And you heard it click in the background. Now that memory bank is empty. Now I'm going to play for you another. This is in memory bank 3, I think. Let me see. I'm going to turn down a little bit. Now I could play with that, but I'm not going to right now because I already played that with another setup. So you heard a lot of echo and other goopy stuff in there. But the whole point is that, you can come up to me now. This is an inexpensive device, really, for the most part. But as far as loopers go, I think it's pretty cool because you got those memory banks that'll save it for as long as the thing is. I mean, as long as it doesn't have to be powered. As long as the internal battery's going, you got it. So that's the main thing. I think I've given you pretty much a clear demonstration of how this thing works. It's a great practice device. Using this thing in a live situation, I have used loopers in a live situation. I don't do it a lot, but if I do and I use other players, then obviously I need to have them hear these loops really loud and plenty loud so that they can play along, be it drums or bass or guitar, other guitars or keyboards. So that's pretty much it. The whole thing is really pretty inexpensive, and I think it works pretty darn good, all things considered. I think what it does is it gives you the opportunity to find out if using loopers is a way for you to go, if you really want to do it. They make some really fancy ones that quantize and do all kinds of things, have drum sounds and band sounds in some cases. But in this case, you input the loops, you decide how long they are. The little LCD screen is supposed to help you know where the loop is in progress. So that's a good thing. It's not ideal for a person that's got to stand a long ways away from it because I can't see that well, quite frankly. But anyway, that's it. I hope this helps. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them for you. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to do it. So here you go, Willett, Lapine.
And then play along with it if you want to overdub it, or just play along. Just 3 different things. So there's that, then you just hit the toggle down, play another one. So to stop it, just double tap it. If you want to erase it, you push, you hold, it clears that one. So it's empty. So you want to record, there you go, you can record. Stop again. You can adjust your volume. And you don't hear the click either when I stopped it. So come back down. You can play it, you can overdub it, you can clear it, you can stop it again. So it's actually very clear. I didn't have any signal distortion going through the true bypass, and I really do like how it has this extra level thing, so I can adjust the level if I recorded it a little too loud or not loud enough. So it's very clear. I don't have any complaints about it at all, and I like the size because I kind of started running out of room on my pedal board for everything else on here. So it definitely fit the bill. So pick one up. It's a great price for what you get.
Alors, présentation du looper One Looper Donner, fabriqué en Chine. On nous demande de le brancher, il n'y a pas de place pour une pile, il faut le brancher avec un adaptateur 9 volts avec une polarité positive à l'extérieur et au centre négative. Tout est branché en ce qui nous concerne, l'ampli est branché et notre adaptateur. Il est bien en 300 mA comme prévu, avec une polarité positive en extérieur, et c'est bien un 9 volts. Voilà, le transformateur fonctionne puisque c'est celui de ma guitare silencieuse Yamaha. En revanche, ici, si j'appuie, je devrais avoir une lumière rouge. Évidemment, ça ne marche pas, et je vous passe le détail puisque ça n'a pas marché avec ma guitare non plus. Donc voilà, retour chez Amazon. Clairement, c'est pas de la qualité. C'est nul, ça sert à rien.